Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we'll see 10th Standard Social Science chapter India's relationship with other countries. In this chapter, we will learn India's foreign policy and relationship with foreign countries. Shall see question with answers. Question: which part and article of the Constitution explain international peace and coexistence? Answer: fourth part and Article 51. Mention the big country which borders India. China. Which book mentions the Silk trade between India and China? Kautilya's Arthashastra. Which region is the main bone of a contention between India and China? Arunachal Pradesh. Which countries have the highest population in the world? That is China and India. Which is the latest development that strengthened the relationship between India and China? Formation of a BRICS group of countries. List out the steel plants established in India by the support of Russia. Bhilai Steel Plant and Bokaro Steel Plant. Which are the two biggest democratic countries of the world? India and USA. Which are the two political parties of USA? Democratic and Republic parties. Only two parties are there. Which historical agreement is signed between India and Pakistan? Tashkent Agreement in 1966. Who mediated the Tashkent Agreement? Russia. Which region is the main bone of contentions between India and Pakistan? Jammu and Kashmir. What is the effect of Indo-Pak War of 1971? Creation of Bangladesh. Who aided India in Goa liberation movement? Russia. Which is the first country supports to India's quest in Security Council? Russia. Answer the following questions in 2 or 4 sentences. Question: why do countries need to have a good relationship with other countries? To achieve economic progress, to achieve peace and cooperation, to promote trade, to achieve economical help, to overcome resource deficit. What are the resources? What are the reasons for tensions between India and Pakistan? Jammu and Kashmir issue, border dispute, river water dispute, terrorism, and problem of minorities, Pak's military agreement with China. Explain the mutual cooperation that exists between India and Russia. Russia supported India at UNO. Russia helped India in the field of economics, politics, etc. Russia supported India during Indo-China War in 1962. Russia aided in establishment of Bhilai and Bokaro steel plants. Russia supported India to improve its industries and technology. Explain the mutual cooperation that exists between India and USA. India and USA are democratic countries. USA has supported a lot to India's 5-year plans. USA aided India during Indo-China War. USA has shared interest in controlling terrorism. Why there is a setback in spite of the bilateral talks between India and Pakistan? Terrorism, attacks on Indian Parliament House in 2001, Mumbai attack in 2007, Patan, Pathankot attack in 2016. The relationship between India and China is recently spoiled. What are the reasons for this? India or Indo-China War in 1962, China's claim over Arunachal Pradesh, China's support to Pakistan, China's military and economic assistance to Pakistan. What are the measures taken to improve the strained relationship between India and Pakistan? Tashkent Agreement, Shimla Agreement, Lahore Bus Yatra, Agra Conference. These are the relationship with other countries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.